And it's a very good afternoon here on the 26th of October 2018. My name is Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference, and the Traders Open Day. Very warm welcome into the weekly market roundup this week here at Master of the Markets. This is the weekly market roundup where we assess the trades that have been taken for the week, what the trading system has flagged for us, and what the P&L has been for the week as well. So it's been a quite busy week here for us at Master of the Markets, with multiple trade opportunities really setting up and banking out for quite healthy profit this week. It's been one of the biggest weeks of the year for us as well, with the particular setups and opportunities that we've had, and systems totaling a banked amount of 7.24% of upside across the live trading room and the Vedanta Elite Trading Room as well. So that is actually banked, that's realized profit, and doesn't include the floating profit that we are running currently on the Aussie dollar in the Elite Room. So let's quickly assess the opportunities that were taken, profits and losses. Remember, everything here at Master of the Markets is transparent. So if that's the type of training provider that you want to work with, then the Traders Basecamp package is the place to start, really, here with Master of the Markets, where you can start to learn the basics of these methodologies, take them away with you, start trading them with the actual strategies and parameters that you need to get going. Let's look at the Live Trading Room Journal. So you can see this week on the Live Trading Room Journal, you have here the liftoff opportunity that we did take on the dollar Japanese yen. So that was this one just here. This actually took a loss for us this week on our trailing stop loss here. We were out of the market at 111.92, giving us a loss of 0.57%. So that was a downside on the LTR just there. We finished the week net negative on the Live Trading Room. However, the Vedanta Elite Room has, of course, made up for that in multiple folds, and we can now take a look at their trading opportunities just there at Vedanta Elite. That was the only trade of the week there on the Live Trading Room that banked out this week, the dollar Japanese yen. Nothing else for us this week on the Live Trading Room. Just go ahead and close out that journal. Let's bring open the Vedanta Elite Trading Journal. Let's take a look at the strategies performance for this week. So you can see here, first of all, there was the dollar Japanese yen. This was a smart money trade. You can see that just here. That also banked net loss as well of 0.57%. You can see that just there, out of the market for a slight loss on that one. Let's take a look at the other strategies and see if we did indeed make up for it. Let's take a look at the swing profits trading strategy. No trading opportunities this week for us on the swing profits trading strategy. Just there, you can see that the last trades that were taken there were certainly at the end of September. So the month of October has not yielded any signals for us here on that trading strategy swing profits at this time. So that has not happened for us this month so far. Let's go over to the next strategy. Of course, that is Prime Profits. And Prime Profits, you can see, has been quite busy this month. There are multiple trade opportunities, and we can assess the performance for them as well. So let's take a quick look at how that has happened. First of all, you can see 5 different trades taking place in October for Prime Profits. And given that there are only 22 trades this year, obviously that's quite a significant amount. You can see certainly the last 6 months of this year are much busier than the first 6 months, which is a little unusual, but we'll take that nonetheless. It still works, and we can still make a great upside profit with swing profits. Now remember, swing profits also delivered one of the biggest trades of the year here in the Live Trading Rooms and the Vedanta Elite Trading Rooms, delivering a 6.06% upside there on that dollar Swiss in just a matter of 4 days. Not many investments will get 6.06% even in a whole year, and here you can see Vedanta Elite Trading Strategies delivering 6.06% in a matter of just 4 days. Probably the entire net upside of buy to let in London, more than likely, I imagine, if you can get 6.06% after doing all that work with the landlords and different maintenance repairs, boilers and tenants and voids and all the other things that come up. Here you can see trading can complement property in such a strong way here with just 4 days, 6.06% upside. So let's take a look at this month and this week specifically. So you can see 3 opportunities here on the prime profits trading strategy this week so far. The first one being the Euro US dollar, which of course we caught and took a 0.83% on. Perfect little opportunity just there. The dollar Swiss also flagged up a trade opportunity, banking 1.06%. And the only floating trade that we're currently running here in both of the trading rooms is the Aussie dollar short, and we can have a look to see how that is getting along. We entered the market at 7062 short. So let's take a look at the chart of the Aussie dollar and see where 7062 actually is. And you'll see that 7062 is actually this price level just here. So that was taken short 7062. We sold the market at that level. Here you can see it is currently falling away. We're in a profit of around about 1% at the moment floating. We will bank this out tonight on the close of the market at about 8 p.m. We will close this trade more than likely. So here we go. This is got a profit target of 7976. 7976 the profit. So target 7976 is 6976. Here we go. And it's this price level just here. So there you can see that's our profit target. If the price does continue to progress lower, another 52 pips, then we will be out of the market here for a profit on that Aussie dollar at that price level, banking us over 2%. Otherwise we will be, of course, taking out of the market wherever the market closes this evening, and that will be again another net upside. So if we go over to the next trading strategy, which is the gold bars. Gold bars, of course, one of the more aggressive trading strategies, delivering some of the highest profitability across any trading strategy here at Master the Markets. Very, very healthy upside on these gold bar trades. When they run, they really do fly. And here you'll see the month of October certainly has yielded 3 trades here on gold bars. Currently net profit of 9.29% banked. So that is gold bars, and that's what is achievable in a month when this strategy really flies. Remember, we keep the losses very, very small, but the net upside does things like this. It is quite incredible. This week, let's just talk about this week. And so you can see here, certainly we are out of the market on the euro dollar on the 24th of October. That banked a very, very healthy 4.43%. The Aussie dollar has banked out of the market today, so we can go ahead and update that. 26th of the 10th, 2018. And that has banked out of the market today for us. So we are out of the market. Let's go ahead and save that for a 2.06% upside. So this week, 6.49% on just the gold bars trading strategy here at Master the Market. So for those of you that are on Live Trade Mentorship Advanced or Live Trade Mentorship, you're watching the live trading room, you'll have had an excellent upside this month. But the Vedanta Elite room is outstripping the returns in the live trading room ×2. So pretty incredible work really there from the elite team, given that this is all just 15 minutes a day achieving these types of returns. If we look for the week so far, what I've accumulated here by way of basic mathematics, just adding up the profits, we have a 7.24% upside for the week. A very, very healthy profit indeed. And just for 1 week's work, for 15 minutes a day, very, very healthy indeed. So 7.24% is our upside, and you can see the last week's market update that I did when I referenced back the blog, which you can see is loading here on my screen. The Master the Markets blog for last week actually yielded a net loss. Take a look on the market update for last week. We were down 1.2%. So last week we were down 1.2%. This is very much the nature of trading. We were down 1.2% in total last week, but this week's upside has yielded us plus 7.24%. So if you do the math, you'll see we are very, very healthy net profit of plus 6% for 2 weeks, and that for 15 minutes of work a day is not bad at all, giving us around about 6%, roughly £6,000 on a small trading account just there. So we're achieving that upside, and we want you to as well. This analysis may have seemed a little bit advanced for you, especially if you're beginning out, But let me tell you something. If you're someone that's attended live trading evening and you didn't quite get it, first of all, today I'm going to go over how we place an order in MetaTrader 4, the very basics of how you can do that. Secondly, that's the topic for the week. And secondly, what I would say is in Traders Basecamp, we absolutely handhold you every single step of the way, so that from the very basics of what is the financial markets through to going away, being able to place trades and starting making money on the market, we will guide you through every single step here at Master the Market. So there's nothing for you to worry about from this perspective. We do handhold you and guide you every single step of the way. One of the most common things that beginners say to us is that they are a little bit worried, they're a little bit embarrassed that they didn't get the basic material, but that's okay. Everyone is feeling that way. You just need to take that leap of faith, come onto the Traders Basecamp package and have a superb immersive experience where you will learn the mechanics inside out. We absolutely promise that. We will do our best then teaching in good intimate sized groups so that we can really work with you on a one-to-one basis in the strongest possible way. Let's take a look at the topic for this week then, and I want to go over something for the beginners this week, which is all geared around how to place your first order. And I'm going to make it very simple because I've made other videos on YouTube in the past on how to place your first order, and you know, we go into some complexities of things like position sizing and things like that. But again, if you haven't been to the Traders Basecamp package, you won't be able to have that access to that information to how to do that just yet. So the very best thing that I suggest by way of learning is by just using a very standard position size and just placing a couple of practice orders in the MetaTrader 4 environment, which you can download. We'll leave a little link on the bottom for how you can download the MetaTrader 4 environment, and you can do that and you should practice. So one of the trades that we did call in the live trading evening this week on Wednesday was this one here. It was this PSWB on coffee. Let's do a quick analysis of this particular market because it's an interesting one, for which fulfills the criteria for the 10 trending bar strategy, which we do teach on the live trading evening, and of course go into much more depth on the Traders Basecamp package. So the first thing we look for is a low, a confirmed swing low in the market, and then of course we're looking for 10 trending bars. So only if you've been to live trading evening will you understand the methodology of 10 trending bars, and we will quickly go over that just here. So the first trending bar of course is this one just here. It's our first trending bar. Then you got second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth just here, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15 trending bars here on coffee at this time. So very strong little setup for us. Again, the research has been done in such an intricate way to make this look easy. It's actually not that easy, but we have digested it down into a simple way to make it look this easy. We're expecting, because of the trending bar methodology, we're expecting this PSWB on coffee to be the swing high of the market, to become one of these, which you can see just there. So it hasn't happened yet, but it is our expectation, so we can place an order for it. We're going to send an instruction to our broker to sell at this price level just here, to put a stop order at this price level just here, just in case we're wrong, and then to put in a take profit at this level just here. So this will be an excellent thing to practice for those of you that are complete beginners to the financial markets. Those of you who maybe attended a live trading evening, weren't quite sure, want a little bit more practice, this will be an ideal order for you to place by way of practice on your demo accounts just there. So let's go ahead and place this order. I'm going to break this down to the very simplicity. So you can see I've put a protective stop order in the market. That's because we risk manage our trades, because it's not gambling, and we go into more depth at Traders Basecamp. This is our entry order into the market, 120.68 just there, and our target for this order is 106.88 just there. So let's go ahead and place this order. So we've got an entry of 125.28. We've got a stop order of we've got a stop order of 125.28. That's our stop. We've got an entry order of 120.68, and finally we have a target order of 106.88, 106.88, just there. So let's go ahead and place that order in the MT4 environment. Remember, we teach you how to do all of this on the Traders Basecamp package in intricate detail. 3 hours of day 2 dedicated to the technology section, where you come in with your laptop, you sit down with us in the classroom environment with a small group of people, so we can sit down next to you and actually guide you through step by step how to place the actual order. I'm going to show you a demonstration here of how to do it. So it's very simple. All you need to do is click over from type, from market execution to pending order. Remember, we're selling the market short here. We're expecting this to become a swing high in the market, so we're just going to select sell stop, and then we key in the at price, which is the entry. This is us instructing the broker to enter us at 120.68. So let's go ahead and key that in, and then the stop loss as well, which is 125.28, and then finally the take profit 106.88. And remember, the volume you just need to leave for the time being as 0.1. We'll teach you the exact formula on the Traders Basecamp package, on the online portal, and in the workshop as well. Click place and the order will go through. And that's pretty much it. So as you can see, that's what it takes to place an order. It takes just a matter of seconds. Practice this if you came along to the live trading evening, and then come to the Traders Basecamp package. Practice more with us on the online portal and in the workshop itself. Look forward to speaking to you all soon. Until next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and keep trading like a master. Bye for now.